Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green hills, lived a young boy named Adam. Adam was an ambitious dreamer with a heart full of aspirations and an unyielding determination to achieve his goals. He had always believed that he could make a significant impact on the world. Adam's village was renowned for its extraordinary talent in handcrafted pottery. The villagers took immense pride in their craft, passing down their skills from one generation to another. Adam, too, had an immense passion for pottery. He would spend countless hours watching the skilled artisans meticulously shape clay into beautiful masterpieces. One day, a renowned potter from a distant city visited their village. Impressed by the talent he witnessed, the potter decided to organize a grand pottery competition, inviting potters from far and wide to showcase their skills. The winner would not only receive a prestigious award but also have the opportunity to feature their work on a popular YouTube channel dedicated to art and creativity. Adam's heart swelled with excitement upon hearing this news. He knew that this competition was his chance to prove his worth and showcase his talent to the world. Despite not having received any formal training in pottery, he approached Mr. Sharma, the village potter, seeking guidance. Recognizing Adam's passion and determination, Mr. Sharma agreed to mentor him, despite the challenges that lay ahead. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months as Adam tirelessly honed his craft. He would rise before dawn and work late into the night, experimenting with different techniques and designs. His hands became calloused, but his spirit remained unbreakable. As the competition day approached, doubt began to creep into Adam's mind. He compared himself to the other experienced potters who had undergone formal training. However, he refused to let his doubts overshadow his belief in himself. Adam understood that his unique perspective and relentless passion could set him apart. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. The grand hall was adorned with magnificent creations, each reflecting the talent and dedication of its creator. Esteemed judges, renowned artists and craftsmen themselves, scrutinized every detail, searching for that special spark of brilliance. One by one, the participants presented their creations. Adam observed nervously, his heart pounding with anticipation. When his turn came, he stepped forward with a mixture of nervousness and confidence. Placing his creation, a breathtaking vase adorned with intricate patterns and vibrant colors, in front of the judges, Adam held his breath. The room fell silent as the judges examined Adam's work. He watched with bated breath, hoping that his efforts would be recognized. Finally, one of the judges spoke. "This piece exudes unparalleled creativity and innovation. It is evident that the artist has poured his heart and soul into this creation." Tears of joy welled up in Adam's eyes as he realized that his hard work and perseverance had paid off. The judges announced him as the winner of the competition, and the audience erupted into thunderous applause. In that moment, Adam realized that it was not just about the award or recognition, but the journey he had undertaken. He had surpassed his limitations, believed in himself, and pushed beyond the boundaries of conventional wisdom. Adam's story became an inspiration for countless viewers on his YouTube channel, motivating them to pursue their dreams, no matter how unconventional they might be. As a result of winning the competition, Adam's pottery gained significant recognition. He continued to create mesmerizing masterpieces that captivated the hearts of his viewers. Adam's story became a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that with passion, determination, and self-belief, they could create their own powerful. And so, my dear viewers, remember Adam's story when you face challenges and self-doubt. Embrace your uniqueness, pursue your dreams with unwavering determination, and always remember that the power to create a powerful ending lies within you. Let Adam's journey inspire you to believe in yourself and create your own masterpiece in the grand canvas of life.